Managing your shops and POS devices effectively is essential for running your business smoothly. In this video, we'll show you how to add, clear, and delete shops and POS devices inside the SalesPlay back office. What is a shop in SalesPlay POS? In the SalesPlay POS system, a shop refers to a specific branch or location of your business. For example, if you run a restaurant or cafe chain with outlets in different cities, like London, New York, and Paris, each location can be set up as a separate shop. SalesPlay allows you to manage all your shops from a single back office. This means you can track sales, inventory, and performance across multiple branches, easily and efficiently. What is a POS device in SalesPlay POS? In the SalesPlay POS system, a device refers to a POS terminal used at a specific shop or location. Each business location can have multiple POS devices. For example, your London outlet might use 3 devices, like POS Terminal 1, Terminal 2, and Terminal 3. This setup helps you manage multiple counters or service points within the same branch, all connected to the central back office system. First, I'll show you how to add, clear, and delete shops. First, go to the Settings page, then click on Shops under the Shops and POS Devices Settings section. To add a new shop, click on Add Shop. Now fill in the required details: shop name, contact number, email address, and the city. Quick tip: enable data transfer to copy products and other data from an existing shop. If you enable data transfer, you can copy products from another shop. Just select the shop you want to transfer data from. Now click Save. You'll see your new shop listed. Let's see how to set up a new POS device for your shop in SalesPlay POS. Once you've created a new shop in the back office, it's time to set up the POS app for that location. Take your new POS device, tablet, or mobile phone. Open the app and tap on Sign In. Use the same email and back office password you used when registering. After signing in, select the newly created shop to link the device to your back office. That's it. Your POS device is now ready to use at your new shop. Sometimes you may need to delete test or sample data you added while testing the POS system before starting real sales. There are 2 options. Clear all data. This will delete everything, including your product list and settings. Clear transaction data. This will remove only sales and stock data, but keep your product database. Important: deleted data cannot be recovered, so make sure to back up, download reports, or anything important before proceeding. To clear data, log in to the POS back office web portal. Go to the Settings menu and open the Shop section. Click the 3-dot button next to Action and select Clear Data. Enter your password and continue. To delete a shop, the POS terminal must be online. Offline POS devices cannot be deleted. Please ensure the POS device is connected to the internet before proceeding. Then, choose whether you want to clear all data or just the transaction data, and confirm your selection. To delete a shop, click on the 3-dot menu, then choose Delete. Enter your password and click Continue. Note: the primary shop cannot be deleted if it's the only one in your back office. As discussed earlier, a POS device refers to a terminal used for processing transactions within a shop. A single shop can have multiple POS devices, allowing multiple checkout points. Now, let's see how to add a new POS device. Go to the POS Devices tab. To add a POS, click Add POS, enter a name for your POS, and select the shop it belongs to. Then click Save. You'll notice the POS is marked as Not Installed. Once you've created a new device in the back office, it's time to connect it to the POS app. Start by taking your POS device, tablet, or smartphone. Open the app and tap Sign In. Log in using the same email and back office password you used during registration. Once you're in, select the newly created device to link it. And that's it. Your POS device is now ready to go. That's it. Now you know how to add, manage, delete, and transfer data for shops and POS devices in SalesPlay. Thanks for watching. See you in the next tutorial.